Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. I'm on a 3-day adventure in the Ruby Mountains. This is day 1. This is my first stop, Angel Lake, and I've never been here before, so I'm excited to check this place out. First time, so let's go do it. So on the other side of Angel Lake is this beautiful waterfall right behind me. So I would say from the parking lot to the waterfall, it's about a mile round trip, and it's not that hard. All right, time to hike back to the car.